Hey guys, Chad with Restless Rides. Hey, we're having a rain day here, so I had to reschedule some vehicles. So what better time to catch up and answer some of your questions we get online? We're getting a lot of positive feedback from our YouTube channel here. So if you guys have any questions, let us know, and we will answer it as quick as possible. A little bit of background on me, guys. I've been painting and doing body work and auto mechanics for over 37 years. So I've been doing this for a long time. I come to you guys with a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge of this channel that some can't compete with. So if you guys got any questions, let me know. I've got a bunch of videos on this channel for you to guys learn from. But for now, Jake has asked us a really good question. He's asking us if there's any one and done type undercoating that is best that will last the life of the vehicle. Unfortunately, the answer is no. There's no one and done product that's going to last the life of the vehicle. Everything will have to be maintained and upkept at some point. So there's going to be touch up, there's going to be chips, and so on. So the quick answer is no. I'm going to touch a little bit further in on that. Mainly depends on what conversation we're having. Are we talking about show cars? We're talking about cruisers? We're talking about restorations? We talking about something that gets driven very little, or are we talking about something that gets driven daily or commercially, like a fleet truck? So depending on what conversation and what context, we're going to recommend different types of products for the different applications. Again, there's no one and done type product that will work for everything, especially when you start dealing with vehicles that are driven daily and used for for work, for commercial or fleet trucks or so on. So let's dive into this a little bit and break this out a little bit. So we're talking about show cars, restorations, and cruisers. Those type of products, I would recommend more of your encapsulating type paints. That would be like your KBR, your POR 15s for your chassis. But I would still recommend top coating them with some sort of enamel with flex additive, or clear with flex additive. So that way things doesn't crack and chip when you flex them. That's a big one. Chips are a major issue with any type of paint. That's why for the daily driver, they're not best. That's kind of short on that, guys. I could really get into detail here, but that's not what his question is.